Alright guys, welcome back to the trading. I did my video yesterday that I'm going to post today. So you'll see I'm going to finish up where I left off yesterday. I kind of had some things going on towards the end there. But yeah, so here we go. Let's see what I did with the pound. So I need strength on 360. Oops. Okay. So I'm just filling some stuff in here on my spreadsheet quick. Okay. Alright, I can do that later. So basically what I'm doing here is setting up just the numbers for this practice account thing that I got going on here. As I said in the previous video, let me delete. There we go. This is going to be a practice account because I'm tired of getting my ass smoked on my real account and losing money. I did bump it up to bigger time frames as we've talked about. So here we go. I'm going to pick up where I left off yesterday doing the curve trades, then we'll jump into the trend. So yeah. So this one is just coming out of the curve here. So we're going to set this up. I decided to take this basing area along with this basing area, and then this is like a level on level setup right up here. So we got the two trades right there. Make that 3 trades that are curved. There we go. There we go. There we go. So yeah, they're overlapping. We talked about that in the previous video, but you'll see probably today. I didn't post the video yesterday because I had some things going on. So make that green. Green. Take that down pretty close to there. So we can just go ahead and take this as is. Okay, so we got 16, so that'll be what, 15 and 17. And this is a $100,000 practice account, but I'm still going to trade it like it's my regular account. So yeah. 12 and 17. Oh, Jesus. 2.6704. 7041. Okay. 041. Alright, supposed to be 19 and 23. Alright, so there we go. There's our Aussie dollar trades. We're gonna, Aussie dollar curve trades. Swap these around here. Oh shit. Okay. Bring this back over. I guess part of the reason too for doing the higher time frames is like if all of the markets decide to like take a shit and go against you, you should have like last month or like February. That's a bad month. The entire month was fucked. So, oops. So there just should be like less things that go entirely wrong because you have a higher time frame. So there's like you got to be a little more patient, which is fine, and it'll work out better with my schedule anyways. Okay. Okay. There we go. All right, so there we go. Let's go back down to the New Zealand. See what's all popping on here, huh? Okay, so we'll pop up this. Find the weekly breakout that was caused by this move, and we've got it right there. So basically anything above there is per our standard rules. So we've got this bad boy right here. So for this one, we just gotta wait for profit margin. I am gonna put my stop above here because this is essentially just a retest stick here. So just put the stop just above there, and then make a note. There we go. Alright, so there we go. So that's what we're looking at right there on the New Zealand dollar. For the US dollar Canadian. Anything above there, so that's going to be a lot of stuff. So we'll do here, put on our purple line. And there we go, we've got this. So this will be kind of that confirmation style thing. I don't think we even have the profit margin really. So if we want a 67, oh yeah, we got it. So that'll be another area. Wait for weakness on the 360. So yeah, so we're waiting for on that. What is the dollar franc here? That would be your breakout level on the weekly. Pretty similar thing here. I'm just going to put that purple line there on the weekly because that's where it came up on the daily. And then for demand on the daily, we'll look at, we'll take a look at this area. So same thing, we gotta wait for the weakness or the strength. Wait for strength on the 360. Because we don't want to catch like the falling knife, right? We want to make sure, at least I want to make sure that we got some strength when they're coming into these areas. Like, yeah, they can work. Like this one worked right there. It just came right into the zone, shot up. And this new confirmation style is pretty new to me. So trying to develop some rules around that. Let's go over here to the dollar yen. You got that breakout level there. We'll call that like the low because you have your uptrend on the weekly starting here, and it is. That's not really like a demand area that I'd be interested in. But if you know, this isn't really a good example of that. So we'll go to the daily here. As you can see, we got this level right like there, and then it could actually be this top level. Like 9. So there we go. As you can see, that one worked. Let's see what it looks like on a 360. Yeah, I mean, there's not really, there wouldn't be like a place to catch that except for maybe like here now, which would that would probably be the area to look for on the for the trend, anyways. So the euro yen, kind of a fucking shit show here. Gotta go to the weekly. That's the breakout level from there, and then we'll go like something like that. Pretty definitely solid daily level right there, and probably this top one as well. You gotta hit that G6 button again. And then this level, and then the daily, so it's leaving this. So we're gonna wait on this one. So you know what, let's go back. Let's go back to the dollar guy. I do want to see something here. So here we go. You could actually even use like this. So this would be your low. You got a break, bam. That would be the entry on the 60. So maybe that's what we'll do. On these daily charts, we'll use, I'll add. Okay, so here we go. We'll just add the 60-minute time frame to kind of catch stuff like that. So now everything I say on 360, I'll start showing all the strength and stuff that'll actually be done on the 60-minute chart. So this weekly, or these levels, I'm definitely going to put up. Get a hell of a reaction to that, though. Whatever that is. Anywho. I'm not going to take this one because that's kind of like the finger pointing up. I don't really like those ones. I like the last high in the candle to be lower than the previous high, or the highest high of the basing to be before the last candle in, or like the leg out can't have the highest high on there. So let's see, we got 52 to 110. So that's a good trade right there. So here we go. So 19.7. to be 24 and 21. I just want to make sure I put the same entry points on that top one. Probably like that level and this level. I'm just going to wait on those because it does look like it's falling pretty heavily. Plus, we need our profit target. So there we go. That concludes. Well, actually, I don't think I'm going to trade the CAD yet, so I'm just going to delete that. Way the fuck back here. Alright, so the zones below this, so like nothing really like too good here. Except for maybe this. Yep. So we got the low there, yep. Yep. Bang, bang. Yeah, as you can see, we have plenty of way to go down. Finally fucking made a lower low than this piece of shit right here. But this might actually be a pretty good example here of big ass move kind of stuff. So you got like, well, not really, because of this shit right there. I mean, this could actually be right here though. So you got your like, that's your moving control. That would be red, green, red, but it's inside the range of this big ass move right here. 72330. It's lower. So red. So, like for instance, according to this, we haven't broken like inside this yellow box. Like until this happens right here, we haven't had a close outside of this green box here. So we can't, like, the idea is, oh, come on, piece of shit. So zones below that pink line, maybe this one, or like this one. As you can see, it didn't hit though, but it would have worked if it did hit. So that's kind of the idea there. I'll just delete these boxes quick, because that would be like a retracement kind of moves, or like you get your impulse move, which would be that big ass move, and then you got your correction move, which would be bang, 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 like it's correcting inside that range. So that's the idea there. But anyways, let's actually draw the real trends on this. So little bit of level on level action there. Then we'll just take like, so that would be the other level there. So we'll just leave that on the daily as a curve trade for that one. And probably this one too. We'll just leave that one alone. I'll leave the lines there. We'll just do like, yeah, we'll just leave those there. So we didn't get close below here. So otherwise this would be like your big ass move, and all of this would be trading in there. This would be your other, and like this, oops, shit. And that would be your trend. So put that there. Until obviously it broke down. So now we have a down, like we're starting the beginning of the downtrend. But I just want to see this. This is just kind of like getting the idea, or looking at the idea. So that would be like a level, kind of, probably like this. And then third and final level, right down there. You see the first one held, second one held twice, the third one didn't even work. Actually, the first one held twice too, a little bit. Depending on profit margin and stuff though. So that's just kind of what I wanted to look at. And get the idea of the big ass zones and the big ass moves. Because that's in the direction we want to trade. We want to trade with the big ass moves. I guess I'm coining that as a new term now. The technical term, the big ass moves. What the? There we go. Alright, so there we go. What wonderful levels do we have here? So we've got on this one, probably that. Take a stab at that too. So these are going to be our regular, just trend trades. And this could even be like a backup trade back here, if you wanted to take that one. Boom. Boom. And then we'll just set these up right away. I know it doesn't have the profit margin yet, but I'm just going to do it anyways. This will be 17 and 19. So this will be 29, 33. And I know this has been tested, but not quite. Not quite halfway, so that's why the top one's going to remain. Gucci, 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 gang. Good. $7.5. That would mean too for these like curve trades that we can short. We can keep shorting even low on the curve, but down to these like daily areas of demand. That's one thing I'm working on too. All I'm doing here is I got my chart, my 360 chart on the left monitor here. That's why I'm looking that way. So I can type this in. Which you guys would rather not see me type this in, let me know in the comments, and I can just keep the chart up while I do this. So this will be a standard short. I think I'm going to get rid of the standard breakout or standard range shorts and just make those also standard shorts, just for my own personal. Like knowing things, because the range trades just going to be like a range long, range short, probably. I'll change them to. And then I'll add the like confirmation trades and then like a curve. Take the curve short and long in there. You know, there's that. Swing this back over here. Check out the Aussie dollar. What the hell is this doing? So this is a potential example for a range trade right here, because if it starts to do an uptrend like inside here, if it goes like this, just kind of lines of boxes, it's still we're still able to take this as a short, anything up in here. Anything above this line, because it's still in the big ass move down. So just basically delete all that. I mean, for me, this would probably be the best level there, but we do have a yeah, so 8 points in of 13 points. Nope, can't use that one. Could probably use this though. Probably just take this as like a level on level. You don't have your profit margin there, but this one as well. So that's a 23 like 90. So same kind of thing, the overlapping stop here. Stop getting strong. And then we'll just use the same profit target. Did I not do? Okay, I did do that. This is B30, 37, and 47. Make that look a little nicer. This hourly chart doesn't really matter all too much right now. I'm gonna just put my hat on. My hair's kind of getting in my eyes because I haven't showered today yet. Didn't really need to, didn't really do much yesterday. I think after this, I'm gonna take a nap, lay down for a little bit, get some rest, and play some more StarCraft this afternoon. So as you can see, we're incredibly short on the Aussie dollar. So with this, if it comes in here, so if we get a breakout there on the 60, we could probably take that as a pretty aggressive long to try to jump ahead and get on, if price decides to turn there, jump on the in long positions before an uptrend can start. Because before an uptrend can start, it either has to go up and down one more time and get out of this big ass move, and then go up and change the breakout location or the swing high, or it can be an uptrend again. So if we can kind of get ahead of that, hopefully it'll work. We'll try out some of those this week if as the opportunities arrive. So let's get on with the New Zealand dollar. This could be another example of a big ass move from the daily chart. Maybe a range short going. Okay, so we've got that as a level. This has too many candles, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's got too many by just one. And this would actually probably just be a level on level. Stop like right there. Alright, so we got some New Zealand shorts today. Two and 24. Bang, bang. So since we just have like the curve shorts, I'm just going to delete that. Hopefully this isn't too confusing. Another thing that's been happening a lot the last couple months, or the last month, is like fucking price would come and be within a point of fucking filling the order and then just go. I had that happen on the pound yen. I had that happen on like I think a couple of pound pairs, I think. Which is very frustrating. That's probably like worse than just getting stopped out, to be honest. When they come in, almost hit, then go your way, and then you didn't get any of the fucking. It's just that's annoying. Oops. So right here, fuck, we don't have an exit. No. We could possibly have another example of a big ass move right here. But we do have that. Not really for me anything. Maybe this top level here. I get blue. I guess I changed my mind about it. That. Possibly that, yeah. Let's get some of these yen trades. Because, yeah, so like right here, this would have been an example of using like the 60. So we came into the demand, we had our low, our swing high, a swing low, but it didn't close below the previous swing low. Swing high, swing low, swing high. We got our close below. This would have been a decent area of supply on the 60. Got a retracement, bang. Close below there, maybe that, but that's kind of garbage. And then, yeah, I just kind of ran away. So, anyways. Oh, so that's not even. Here we go. And this could be another example of a big ass move away for the range stuff. That is a setup. Stop would go above here because it's pretty close to the top. Maybe even here. So we gotta wait on the profit. I'm gonna wait on the profit margin for this one because if it comes too low, it's gonna be annoying. Then we'll have to find our. We have to cancel the trades because it'll be too long on the curve. We don't want them to work, or we don't want them to probably take those trades until. Like, because the trend could change, and we don't want the trend to be counter trend on our trading. So we're going to wait on the arrival for these bad boys. I'm actually going to move this up. Yeah, so this is actually the first leg up candle right there. Stop the leg right there. We'll probably level on level setup actually, but I'm going to take the higher one on that. Wait for the arrival. Kind of just taking bigger. So no trade on the euro yen. Oh, maybe something on the pound yen though. Yeah, so same kind of thing. We gotta wait for the profit margin to be set up. that area, possible that area, and possibly that area. Clean that up a little. This will probably be a level on level right here. Probably take that one. And last but not least, the Aussie yen. Yeah, so see, this would be a great example. So you got your so all of this, so you got your big ass move down, you got your yellow candle, or your yellow box, just kind of indicating that all this shit is inside of this. So this would still be the short. So even if this was an uptrend inside this box right here, that move down, that's all a range setup. Let's see if we find if there was anything that would have worked. So close. We were taking this top to bottom. That could have been a good win. Technically does. 52.85. 58.25 is higher than 56.80, so this, yeah, that would be a level right there. It could have worked. The high is 47.40. The low is 42.90. So yeah, that would have worked. And so yeah, that's just, so this would be like a retracing kind of move. And that's just a way to kind of help identify those, so you're not trading like, oh, look, that's an uptrend, and then you get fucking smoked. So that might have been part of the problem, but now, so see as it broke down below that breakout, now we would get rid of the yellow box, and we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so delete, 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 and delete. And then just move this to where like the breakout goes. Pretty simple. And just look for trades in there. If you want to use the original like breakout, absolutely feel free to do that. Or you can even do like, so you'd have had your yellow box. Let's go over daily here. You can even do something like this as like a better way, or a different way to do the trend. Get rid of, and then just delete all these inside boxes. That's what you could do as well. But that's not how I'm going to do it. I'm just going to do it like that. So probably would be better though to do it the other way. But yeah, and then looking at the 360, we got nothing really. I don't see, maybe up here, maybe that, but that's probably not a profit margin. Maybe this, but that closed above there, so not even that. Yeah, so that's what we got going on this month. I'm gonna call it the month now because I'm using these big ass time frames. I hope I set the zero trade up. Yes, I did. Well, that's right. We were just using the range or the curve shorts. Alright, so that sums up today's trading session. Y'all have a great day. I'll post both videos because I didn't post the one yesterday because I was kind of just not feeling like it. But yeah, hopefully this week we can have some good winners, and this month we can come out ahead. If we come out ahead this month, I'll definitely jump back on a live account and do things. trading this style, trading these higher time frames. I got to do my T3 stuff and get that finally done. Been a huge pain in my ass to do that stuff because they wouldn't give me certain information. One dude just would not give me the information that I need to get it done, which is pissing me off because there's like gaps in my employment history and my like where I've lived, and I've lived quite a few places, I guess, and I've like worked at a bunch of different jobs. And there was gaps in between there, but he wouldn't tell me between which jobs or which dates of the gaps. So I go lay down. I'll take care of that stuff tonight. So or tomorrow after work. I don't know yet. I do my taxes too. Anyways, y'all have a great day. Happy trading. Hopefully you like these videos. If so, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We'll be putting the videos back up on there. Like the video on YouTube, comment on YouTube or Facebook or wherever the fuck you find these videos. And have a great day. And we will probably see you next week because I'll be working out of town. So, yep, that's all. Goodbye.